We have multiple time gold medalist and current Indian number 5 Anukram Jain and former India sub-junior number 2 Shubhankar Ranavikar headline this event. This year we have a raised prize purse of rupees 1 lakh on offer for all the players. We have 6 categories in total. That is the men's team event, men's singles event, men's doubles, under 15 team, under 15 singles and the ladies category.
I've gained a lot of experience in these matches. I'll be obliged to play with Anukram Jain, and who is currently India number 2. He's going to open India number 2 in juniors this year. And Rakshit from Karnataka, who is currently number 1.
Exposure is the key, to success. Yes, you require coaching and you require all sorts of other kit and pro sports. But if you have exposure, you really can develop your game. The other way around doesn't work.
Anybody who does that, it's an opportunity for the game to come up.